design. Apple is expected to bring across some of the design changes from the iPhone X to the iPad lineup in 2018. Bloomberg's sources expect at least one new iPad model to ditch the home button and go for an edge-to-edge screen, replacing Touch ID with Face ID. The sources suggests that this model will have a screen size that's close the currently offered 10.5 in, but removing the home button will enable Apple to push this closer to 11 in, or keep it the same size while shrinking the chassis. The sources don't expect this screen to be OLED, however. They don't say why not, but after the production difficulties and supply shortages that the iPhone X's OLED screen seemingly caused, the company may be shy of going all in on the technology just yet. Concept illustrations. It's too early to expect any leaked photos or factory shots, but we're seeing the first concept illustrations of the 2018 iPads. Remember that these are entirely unofficial. They're designs that people unconnected to Apple have come up with as a way of visualizing the most popular rumors. Here are some images from the ever-creative Martin Hayek, who has gone for an edge-to-edge, home button-free, notched screen design for the next iPad Pro model. He's also chucked in a smart new Apple Pencil that looks great in black and silver. Tech specs and new features. Let's look next at the internal changes in the new iPads. Processor. iPad Pro models generally include a modified version of the processor in the preceding iPhone. Last time around the iPhone 7 came out with an 810 Fusion chip, and the iPads got an 810X Fusion. The iPhone 8 and iPhone X both come with the A11 Bionic processor, so we'd expect the iPad Pro models released in 2018 to feature a slightly souped-up A11X Bionic, although the A11 is terrifically fast already.